Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome again to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness. Karibuni sana. Today again, the people who joined us the other day, you noticed that we were using the chairs. We're going to make it a bit easier for those people with maybe mobility issues, or if you want to incorporate what you've got, or if you've got limited space in your living room. Don't forget, we're here on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and you can interact with us on the socials at hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness and hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya. Asanteni sana for joining us, and karibuni hapa kwetu, the home of fitness, our sit room. Let's go guys. We just started by walking, polite tu hapo, si ndio? Haina makasiriko leo, si ndio? It's a good day to be alive, Afrofab says. But I think she shouldn't be talking, she hasn't got a voice. She's lost her voice like my cat. Ginger has laryngitis. Aya, let's go. And up here, let's go. Really just start getting that body mobile. Aya, let's exaggerate it a bit. And walk it out. Coach Benja, what are you doing? Aya. Guys at home, if you've been for a run or whatever, you can. Lakini leo hatufanyi hizo. Aya. We're going to start again today with squats, yes? What we're doing is, sit on the edge here of your chair. We're going to do 10 squats, yes? Let's go. Yep. Ha.
DJ
This DJ is confusing. Are these like squats?
No, that's just me messing about. Sorry, guys. Squeeze that bottom on the top. Let's go. Hey, straight into tricep dips, please. For those of you who are here with us the other day, I am going to do the beginners and intermediate, and Coach Benja there is going to do the harder bits, yes? Let's go.
DJ Maestro.
If you haven't got water yet, grab some water, please. Yeah. And walk it out, guys, because this time we're doing triceps with a sit-up. Yes? So tunajisindikiza tu chini. If you can, lift your chair too. Haya. Yay. Okay, let's go, guys. Have a seat. I'll show you what we're doing, yes? Dip, back, sit. Up, yes? Then you sit back up. Are we ready? Let's go. Dip, back up, sit, push, walk back. So ulitaka mlima wewe. Ulitaka decline. Walk forward, up, walk back. Coach Benda. Hizi ni workout ka tano. Crabbing, backwards, forwards. Yes. For those who find this a bit difficult, literally just do your dip, go down, do your sit up, turn round, quick as you can, go back. Last one, guys, and rest.
The move. Always complete the move.
Hey, Mayo, this week, I'm telling you, if someone tells me I have flabby arms, we're fighting. Right, guys, remember, let's just keep moving throughout the exercises. I know it does get harder as we go through them. If you join us every week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you're gonna get used to it. Utazoea, sindo? Yeah? Aya. We're still resting here. 25 seconds. And then we're doing those push-ups, yes? We're doing those push-ups. But this time, we're going push, raise, push, raise, push. Don't be tempted to go there. It's a small raise, yes? Minda ino tu kidogo. Right, guys, let's go. That's it, guys. Keep going. This is very dangerous. Coach Benda, I think you trust me a lot. And rest. Walk it out. Nime notice. And rest. Walk it out, walk it out, walk it out. We're going back into the squats. Yes? Let's go.
This week.
Afrofa, what is wrong with this week?
This week.
Let's go. Here first in squats. Hey, last one, well done, and walk it out. Higher. Let's go. Dips. Sitting on the hands, making sure that your body has contact with your hands at all times. Yes? Let's go. Dip and raise, or dip and kick. Or you can do both. And kick. Nani nimesema oh you can. Coach Benza, you the last. And rest guys, and rest. Yeah? Let's go back. Squat and kick. Remember guys, we're here, raise, here, kick, or here. Yes? Beginner, expert, intermediate. Let's go. Two more, let's go. Oh! And rest. Rest. Well done, guys. I know it seems easy. Yeah. So now we're doing dips with a kick. Yes? Yes. Let's go. Remember guys at home, keep yourself as close to your hands as possible so that you're really targeting those bingo wings. Let's go. Twende. Kelosho and rest. All right, let's do some sit-ups, please.
I shan't move that chair.
Welcome.
I'm welcome.
Karibu. Social distance. Let's go. 10.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Keep going, guys. Tuendelee, hakuna mtu alisema 10. That's it. Keep going. If you can't do full sit-ups yet, crunches here. Shoulders off the ground. Cup your knees. There. Yes. Finish. Strong. 4, 3, 2. Last one. And rest it here. Walk it out, and then we're doing push-ups. Yes? Let's go. Naona watu nimewaboshori tu hapa. That's it, guys. Keep moving. And walk it out. Walk it out. That's it. This is a nice song to finish the show. It's nice and chill. Even though we're not at the end of the week yet. Maybe we are. Who knows? knows? Some people's week starts from Monday to Monday. Wengine? Sunday to Wednesday. Some people just work on the weekends. Right, guys, let's finish with these push-ups, please. Then we can stretch and go to work. Right, let's go. Remember, with a kick. Remember, we're not doing that. Just 2 more, let's go. Mayo and rest. Coach Benzo, umechanganyikiwa? Hapo hapa. Katikati. Hapa. Kanyaga tu mat. Let's go. And with the same hand, come across. And back into triceps. Same hand. And come across again. Same hand. Push it a bit further this time. Same hand, back into triceps. Other hand. Remember, side. And back here. And slowly come down. Bring your feet closer. And come up. Quads. Let's go. And up here. You can tell I'm a child of the 80s. We used to do that. Higher and backwards. And pull back here. Your back leg is slightly bent. Your front leg, nice and straight. And pull your toes up. Should feel that stretch along there. Higher. Let's go. Swap legs. Back leg, bent. Front leg straight. Pull up. Now bend that knee kidogo. Yay! And let's go down here. And up. Make sure you keep your hips on the ground. Coach Benza, hips on the ground. And back. And reach over to one side. And back over to the other. And into downward dog. And walk it in. Thank you so much again, everyone, for joining us. Don't forget to interact with us. Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya. Meet us here on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And don't forget, we are on all our previous shows and future shows will be on YouTube, Lolwe TV Kenya. And interact with us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya. Asanteni. Thank you.
Okay.